Hello students, I am Snigdha Verma and today I am going to teach you the first chapter of your book Honeycomb. The name of the chapter is Three Questions. In this lesson there was a king and he wanted to know the answer of his three questions. What were the questions? Did the king get what he wanted? That we will see in this chapter. So let us start. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. One day, a thought came into the mind of the king that if he would know the answer of his three questions, he would never fail in his life. He would be a successful king. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something? Means ki what is the right time to start a thing? And which people should he listen to? Whose advice is important for him? And what is the most important thing for him to do? And what is the most important work for the king to do? These were the three questions which the king wanted to know the answer of these three questions, and he thought that if he would know the answer of his three questions, he would be a successful king and he would never fail in his life. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom. Throughout means ki in every part. So because he wanted to know the answer of his three questions, so he sent messengers in every part of his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. And he announced a reward that if anyone would give the right answer with three questions, he would give him a big reward. Many wise men came to the king. So when the wise men heard about the reward, they came to the king to give the answer, but they all answered his questions differently. But they all gave the answer of his questions differently. So what were their answer? In reply to the first question, what was the first question? What is the right time to begin something? In reply to this question, some said the king must prepare a timetable. Some said that it is necessary for the king to prepare a timetable if he wanted to know the right time to start a work. So he must have a timetable and then he follow it strictly. And then he had to follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. And they suggest that only in this way he could do anything at a proper time. But others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Some said, no, it is not possible for the person to decide in advance what is the right time to start anything. The king should notice all that was going on. So they suggest that all what was going on at that time he has to notice and avoid foolish pleasures. Foolish pleasures means कि जो विलासिता की अत्यधिक विलासिता की चीजें होती हैं उनको छोड़कर. So avoid foolish pleasures and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time, and always he had to do what is necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men. But some others said no, it is not the good way to decide right time to start any work. The king must have a council of wise men. Council means the group of people and who were there to give advice or to make rules. So he said कि means कि he must have the council of wise men. Wise men जो हैं उन लोग का एक group होना चाहिए and who would help him act at the proper time, and that the council would help the king to act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. So they said कि one man cannot decide everything correctly without the help of the others. So it means कि the king must have a council of wise men. Then only he could do anything at the right time. But then others said that there were something which could be urgent. But some said कि no, something are very urgent. They can't wait for the decision of the council. When these things could not wait for the decision of the councils, because they are very important thing, very urgent. They needed the quick action. So the king must have to act immediately. So king cannot wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. So they suggest that it is necessary that to look into the future, then only the king can decide ki what is the time to start anything, and only magician could do that. So in their views, only magician could do that. The king therefore would have go to the magician. So they suggest that the king must have go to the magician. So these all the answer were of the first question, and they are very different answers. In their answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselor. Some said ki the what was the second question, ki whose advice is important for the king. So some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselor. Some said ki counselor, because counselor would advise him correctly, so they were very important for the king. Others said the priest. Others said ki no, counselor are not very important. The priests are very important for the king. And few others chose the doctor, but some said ki no, doctors are the right person for the king. And yet others said that the soldiers were most necessary, but some said ki no, soldiers were very necessary for the king. So the in the second for the second question also they gave the different answers. To the third question, some said science. And that what was the third question, ki what is the what is the important work for the king. So some said ki the work related to the science is very important. Others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. But some others said ki no, religious worship, work related to the religious worship is very important for the king. So for all the questions they give the answer differently. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Because their answer were different, so king was not satisfied with their answer, and so he did not give any reward to them. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of the certain hermit, and in his because he was not satisfied, so he, because he had heard about a hermit who was very wise. Hermit means ki a person who lived in the woods and lived a simple life. So hermit means ki जिसको हम लोग सन्यासी भी बोलते हैं. So he had heard about a hermit who was very wise. So he decided that he would go to the hermit to know the answer of his three questions. The hermit lived in the wood which he never left. The hermit he lived in a wood, एक जंगल में रहता था, फॉरेस्ट में रहता था, and he never left. He saw no one but simple people. He used to meet simple people only. And so the king put on ordinary clothes, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ साधारण लोगों से ही मिलता था. So the king put on ordinary clothes. So he dressed up as the ordinary people की तरह उसने कपड़े पहने. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone. And because he wanted to go as the simple person in front of the hermit, so he left his horse and bodyguard also. कुछ दूर में ही उसने bodyguard और horse को छोड़ दिया, and then he went alone to meet the hermit. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. When he came near to the hermit, then he saw that hermit was busy in digging the ground. He greeted the king and continued digging. When the hermit saw king, he greeted the king, welcomed the king, and then he continued digging. वो अपना जमीन खोदता रहा. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. The hermit was very old and he was very weak, and because he was doing continuously the work, so he breathed heavily. बहुत जोर जोर से हाँफ भी रहा था. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise man, to ask you to answer three questions. Then king came to the hermit, and then he said to the hermit, ki wise man, I have come to you to know the answer of my three questions. So then he repeated his questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? And who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? These three questions he repeated in front of the hermit. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He listened to the king but he did not give any answer. He went on digging. वो अपना जमीन खोदता रहा. You are tired, said the king. Then king felt that the hermit is very tired. So he said to the hermit, you are tired. let me take the spade and work in your place. So you give me your spade. Spade होता है कुल्हाड़ी या फावड़ा जैसे जमीन को खोदते हैं. So he said to the hermit कि you give me your spade and I will work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit. Hermit gave thanks to the king and giving the king his spade, and he gave his spade to the king. Then he sat down on the ground. When the king had dug two beds, बेड्स होती है क्यारियां, जब किंग ने दो क्यारियां खोद ली, when he dug the two beds, he stopped and repeated his question because he had come there to know the answer of his questions. So he repeated again his question because till now he had not got the answer of his three questions. The hermit gave no answer, but hermit did not give any answer but stood up, stretching out his hands for the spade and said, now you rest and let me work. So he stood up and he stretched out, अपने हाथ को फैलाया, and then he asked to the king, you give me my spade and you take rest, I will work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But the king did not give him a spade and he continued on digging. 1 hour passed, then another. एक घंटा बीत गया, 2 घंटा बीत गया, another hour also passed. The sun went down behind the trees. Now it was going to become evening. Sun was going to set down behind the trees. And at last the king struck the spade into the ground and said, and but till now the king had not got the answer of his three questions. So he struck the spade into the ground. जमीन में उसने spade को खोस दिया, and then he said to the hermit, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. So I came here to know the answer of my questions. If you can give me no answer, if you cannot give me the answer, you tell me, or I will return back. If you can give the answer, please give the answer. If you cannot give the answer, you also tell me, then I will return back to my home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Then hermit pointed towards a person and said to the king, you look, someone is coming running here. And then he pointed toward the person. So the student, this is the first part of this chapter, and you have to read the chapter again. If you have any problem, you can ask to me. And this is enough for today. Tomorrow I will teach you the next part of this chapter. Till that, have a nice day, and we will meet you again in the next video.